Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to set up or setting or enable dark mode on Windows 10. To enable dark mode, you have to right click at any space in desktop, then choose personalize. Then you have to go to the colors option, and you are seeing that shows your default Windows mode, light or dark. Here dark is selected. I'm going to select it light. Now you are seeing the difference between them. I am going to change it dark mode. Now you are seeing that it is changed into the dark mode. Or if you want to switch your default app mode light to dark, you have to select dark, then it turns dark. And if you want to change it light, you have to select light option. So that's all. Thanks for watching.
Saving soul, saving soul.